Hey, we are back to Credit K's YouTube channel where we talk about business credit, personal credit, everything credit related, and how to transfer those funds over to crypto, investment properties, precious metals, Airbnb, rental cars, how to level up in life using credit. So if you like the content, don't forget to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button because I'm here daily, sometimes multiple times a day with these credit videos to get you up out the mud. And today we are here with a great business product as well as a personal credit product by the name of BHG, Better Healthcare Group. So this company actually was formed to specialize in the healthcare industry. So they were formalized to, process loans and give valuable information to companies in the healthcare space. But now they have opened up that the lending opportunities to more than just healthcare and to pretty much all businesses. So, what you need to do is go to this BHG website. I'm going to leave a link to the description down below. And you go to solutions and loans. This company has loans and credit cards that they offer for the business and personal side. Good thing about the business loans, no impact to your credit score. So, yes, it is a soft pull on the loan, hard pull on the credit card. Even after you get approved for the loan, you still will get a soft pull on the loan. If you want the credit card, you can do the credit card and they will pull the same information for the loan. So you just get one inquiry, the double dip method for this. But what you do is, you go to the loan, you fill out some information. See if I can get into it. I went through the process. I did not complete everything. I didn't want to send in all my bank statements. I didn't really need the loan at the time, but I will go back and apply. I'm going to wait till I get my tax returns for this year and send them in and try to, shoot for a better loan op. But the process is still the same. So what you do is you fill out a short form, submit it, and a representative from Better Healthcare Group will give you a call. They will send you a application to your email address. You fill out everything. They'll ask you to submit additional documentation, usually bank statements, tax returns, and everything of that nature. Now, once they do the soft pull on you during the initial process, they'll kind of go over some things you got. And also they'll ask for your EIN number, and then they're trying to look up, see how long you've been in business, some other things. So they kind of look at your business revenue as well as your personal credit to get you approved. I was remember speaking with the rep. They were saying that usually they get people approved around 650, but the revenue is kind of the main thing that driving how much they give you and how much you'll get approved for. So the process is pretty straightforward. Like I said, they sent me countless emails, countless phone calls, asked me to update my information, send in all the information. It's a very reputable company. Nothing I was afraid of by sending information. I just didn't have my revenue wasn't as strong as I wanted to be this year, so I didn't go ahead through with the loan. But they want you to send all tax returns, bank statements, and then they approve you and base your loan amount off that. Then the credit card process works very similar. Now, the credit card process, it is a hard pull on the credit cards, but you can check, your all the different cards they have. They have the BAG Power Business Mastercard, the Business More card, which is double cash back, and the Black card, the Elite, which gives you triple cash back. No annual fee, which is great. Low APRs. None of them have no interest fee. Oh, actually, it does. I love these double cash back and the business MasterCard. Now, I will think I'm going to apply for these credit cards. I wanted the loan because it wasn't a credit check, but now that I see these credit cards, and now that before when I applied maybe 3 months ago, I don't remember seeing them, but it's one card. But now they got 3 cards, and this one gives you 12 months, 0 APR on balance transfers. Womp womp. You gotta read. It's only on balance transfers, which could be great if you know how to work the credit system. If you got some high utilization on some personal cards or some other business cards, make sure you move that over to the 0% interest, and you could, take advantage of, saving money in that regards. But these still are great cards to have. After that, the balance transfer fee goes up to 3% after that. So always make sure you have everything paid off in full when doing these balance transfers or using 0% interest credit cards. Now these credit cards, some of the data points I've been hearing are about 650 and above TransUnion. They're pulling TransUnion on these credit cards. One of the data points, they're not inquiry sensitive as some credit card companies, but always rule of thumb, you don't want to have no more than 3 in a 3-month period. And you should have no issues with getting approved. The process is, exactly the same. You fill out some information, select what card you want, business on the personal side, and then you'll get an email or phone call from a rep from the company sending you the application and to move forward. So they are very cautious on who they lend to. The business doesn't really matter, but they do want to make sure that you are a reputable business, been in business for at least 2 years. Business at least 2 years to get a strong approval. I've heard people get approved been in business 1 year. But like I said, as long as you got some tax returns, it shouldn't be an issue with getting approved. I wish they used the fintech method where you can kind of link your bank account, but they don't do that so much. Did they do that? I think they did. I was able to link my bank account, but like I said, revenue wasn't as strong as I wanted to be, and that's when they requested tax returns to get a better scope of what I have. So be truthful when you completing this. Like I said, it's not a no statement. They do want docs, so be very truthful when filling out these applications on the loan side and the credit card side. And then you shouldn't have any issues. If you're a new business, I'll show you ways how to fund your business bank account. Even though if you don't have a lot of clients, a lot of business coming in right now, I know ways of how to liquidate gift cards, liquidate other items, and run the funds through your business to make your business look as if it is generating revenue, to get these high loans in order to build your business up to where you need it to be to actually make some real money. Bootstrapping doesn't always work. Using your personal credit card isn't always the best thing, but there are ways and solutions to get around all these problems. And your boy Credit K got the sauce. So tap in with me. I got countless other videos on how to liquidate credit cards. If you need any strategies, I have a business mentorship program, only $300. Other people are charging well over $1,000 for what I'm giving you. I'm guaranteeing over $50,000 in business credit. So go ahead and tap in with me. I'll leave a comment or message me on any social media channel at Credit K, at creditk.com, at Credit K on Twitter, Instagram. All of these are provided, and you can get in contact with me. Also, my Facebook group. I'm going to leave a link for the description for the Facebook group. If you are still watching this video, you are gaining value. So I want to invite you to that Facebook group. So go ahead and click the link. Go ahead in. Everybody is giving great gems about business credit and how to level up in their personal credit journey. So until then, Credit K. Don't forget about BHG. Great for personal loans and business loans, credit cards, and personal credit cards. All right, later.